Welcome back. You're watching the Home Buyer's Guide with me, Kamya Verma, on Magic Bricks Now. If you are on the lookout for that dream home but aren't sure how to go about it, well, you've come to the right place. I have all the listings and information that you need to make the right choice. Now, just before the break, we spoke about the ultra-luxurious Sunteck Signature Island, and now it's time to focus in on some pocket-friendly real estate projects. A well-connected city. Isn't that any home buyer's dream? While cost and location should be your priority in a city as expensive as this, it's also important for you to consider whether your surrounding areas are well connected. If you plan on living in Mumbai, or if you're already a Mumbaiker, then you would know that one of the most important aspects of everyday life in this city is connectivity. Expensive real estate is the reason why so many people choose to live far away in the suburbs or outskirts of Mumbai. So, while looking for that dream home, always ensure that you have plenty of public transport, rail connectivity and good roads nearby. Goregaon in Mumbai is one such place, as homes along the western lines tend to be well connected to the rest of Mumbai. Located on either side of the railway line by the Western Express Highway and Link Road, Goregaon primarily was a residential, or rather a middle-class residential neighborhood. However, the area is now turning into a wealthy suburb. Here on the Home Buyer's Guide, we take you through Kalpataru Radiance by Kalpataru in Goregaon West. Let's first take a look at the neighborhood. Like I told you earlier, the biggest advantage of being on the Western Line is connectivity, and that clearly is the main advantage that Goregaon has to offer. Snuggled in Siddharth Nagar, Kalpataru Radiance is a residential property in Goregaon West, just 5 minutes away from SV Road and Link Road. There's easy access to the Western Express Highway via Goregaon-Mulund Link Road. Now remember, be it rail or air, Goregaon West is clearly well connected. The proposed Oshiwara railway station and proposed Metro Rail Phase 2 along the Link Road is also expected to boost the connectivity to the rest of the city. The project is in close proximity to the railway station as well. The area, like I mentioned, is also close to the international and domestic airports. In fact, the nearest railway station, Goregaon Station, is just 5 minutes away. There are plenty of bus stops in the neighborhood as well. But remember, buying a home is not all about location. Coming to basic amenities, the locality has plenty of convenience stores, salons, pharmacies, ATMs and petrol pumps. So you need not worry about getting your everyday basics in place. Now, would you like to send your child or children to an international school close by? You are in luck, because that's available too. The Oberoi International School is located in vicinity, as is the popular Oberoi Mall. And if shopping is something that excites you, you'd be happy to know that Inorbit Mall, Megha Mall and Infinity 2 Mall are within a radius of 3 kilometers. You will also find plenty of hospitals and clinics in this area, including a specialty critical care and cardiac center. The Westin Mumbai, one of the premium luxury hotels in the city, is nearby too. You can stay well connected to the city while maintaining a distance from the chaos of it. Okay, now that the neighborhood is established, let's do a background check on the builder. Established in 1969 by Mr. Mofat Raj Munot, Kalpataru Limited, the flagship real estate company of the Kalpataru Group of Companies, has projects mainly in Mumbai and Pune. With a focus on development of premium residential, commercial, retail, integrated townships and lifestyle gated communities, the group is also undertaking projects in other key cities such as Jaipur, Surat, Hyderabad and Chennai. From constructing innovative buildings to developing futuristic infrastructure, Kalpataru Group has developed more than 80 landmarks till date. Kalpataru Radiance features a choice of 2, 3 and 4 bedroom residences with luxurious floor height of 10 feet 10 inches. All homes come with a smart automation system with mood lighting in all the rooms. Landscaped podium of around 1.6 acres is available for recreational facilities. This contemporary multi-story towers located in the heart of Goregaon West is designed with emphasis on optimum natural lighting and ventilation. Each apartment comes with a sun deck with aluminium and glass railing in living room with full height window giving a panoramic view of the suburban Mumbai. The project boasts of 4 towers with Tower A being 19 floors high, Tower B being 17 floors high, Tower C offers 10 floors while Tower D is the shortest of them all, offering only 6 floors. The homes here are plush with imported marble flooring while the toilets come with premium international sanitary and CP fittings. With easy access to the Western Express Highway, commercial hubs, a bouquet of premium facilities and lavish landscapes, this project is clearly a gateway to live a better life. Let's now shift focus to one of the most important aspects for you to arrive at a decision. How much will this house cost? Now, with an average cost of 15,800 rupees per square foot, a 2 BHK flat would cost you anywhere between 2.10 crore rupees to 2.5 crore rupees. Whereas a 3 BHK apartment of 1,930 square foot would cost you close to 3 crore rupees. Let's find out what are the kind of amenities that you can expect in this price. At Kalpataru Radiance, stay fit with a state-of-the-art gymnasium, spa, squash court, tennis, basketball court and a large outdoor swimming pool along with kids pool and an open-air jacuzzi. You can enjoy the great outdoors with themed landscapes, barbecue area, sculpture garden, rooftop garden with a banquet lounge. The large swimming pool with ozonized water, kids pool and splash pool is clearly a highlight for all the water lovers. The open-air jacuzzi with pool decks would make a perfect spot for a Sunday pool party. The project also boasts for 4-tier advanced and integrated security system. And for all the Facebook, WhatsApp and Twitter addicts, there's some good news for you as well. Every apartment comes with a Wi-Fi system for you to always stay connected. But if you are someone who likes peace and serenity, a meditation pavilion comes to your rescue. With so many great offers, why does this project stand out? What's the USP? Is it the location or the amenities? Well, for me, it's the family-friendly environment that the township has to offer. The child-friendly amenities and the neighborhood does seem like a good place to raise your children. With that, we are done with 2 of the 3 projects that I handpicked for you. It's time for another short break on Magic Bricks Now, but don't go anywhere. When we get back, we'll explore DS Max Skylicious in Bengaluru and get in more details on that project.